Friends, you can see here I've got one of the cool tops that we created, and I am going to use my Chromebook to record how long it spins before it topples over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it spinning. I'm going to make sure I've got a good one going, which I like that one, and then I can hit start on the stopwatch, and I lost a few seconds, but it is a good way for me to see if I can prove that I have created a top that can spin for 60 seconds. You can use this same technique with your Chromebook and the stopwatch in Google, and using screencastify to record your own project as well for proof. So mine has just toppled over at 25.12 seconds. So that's a cool technique for how you can record how long your top lasts after each spin. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.